I don't know what I was thinking. What's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we gonna be installing that box right there. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying when I'm not saying it? Yeah. This video right here might be my favorite video I've put out due to what's in this package. Bro, there's a beautiful man out there. Beautiful, beautiful human being out there, man. And not just... So here's a little backstory on why this guy is just so beautiful, such a beautiful human being. So I log onto my Twitter and I see this mention that caught my eye. It was a picture of a with the tweet saying, "Yo, I heard you need one. I got it." And I was like, "Yeah, what's up?" He said, "Where can I send it to you?" I'm like, "Oh, that's one of those guys I'd be like, yo, bro, I'm gonna send it to you." You know what I'm saying? Just playing, just to talk to me. Cause it's kind of crazy. Like, you don't have to say you're gonna do something for me just for me to talk to you. You know what I'm saying? Bro, just message me on Twitter or Instagram. Let's get it popping. You know what I'm saying? I love talking to the homies, bro. Y'all some cool people. Yeah. So long story short, I send him my address and voila. So without further ado, son, let's unbox it. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, laka. Oh, hell snap, son. Oh, bro. You guys have no idea how long I've been waiting to get it. I just never seen the reason to like really invest in it, because if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I mean, it's a mod that not too many people see anyway, unless I'm like filming myself. So I was like, will it really make for a good video if I like buy swap it and make a video about it? But we have people out there like my man Jay. This is what happens. You know what I'm saying? Oh boy. Oh, let's get it! Let's get it, pretty boy. Oh my God. Oh my God. I couldn't be happier, bro. I really could not be happier. Look at the ice. Look at the ice, bro. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. Can we just admire how beautiful this thing looks? Like, bro, it looks so beautiful, bro. Now let's get it installed. Ice, 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 yeah. My current cluster setup is a GSR cluster. The way to know you have a GSR cluster, if your red line goes to 9,000, LS's, GS's, RS's, and I think that's pretty much it, all go to 8,000. The GSRs go to 9,000. I don't know what LEDs are in here that make them go blue, which, I mean, you guys can't even see. Okay. Maybe you can see now. I don't know where they came from. They came with the cluster, so yeah, I'm sorry if anyone asks me, yo, where you get the blue LEDs from? I honestly don't know. So we're gonna start by detaching the steering cover stuff that just to get out the way for the bezel. So this come out, and then I don't have a screw there, and I don't have a screw. Oh, I have a screw there, and I have a screw there. I don't have the screw there because I don't know, it lost or whatever. It lost, really? Yeah, bro, I ain't got the screw because it lost. I don't know if that is even grammar. What? So top screw, far left screw is out. Should just come out like this. All that's left to fully remove the cluster is these two harnesses and unplug it, and we get to go type Arden, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Can we just admire the ice one more time, bro? Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. We going from ashy to classy, playboy. I'm so serious. Like, you guys have no idea how excited I am for this cluster. Like, I've been wanting this cluster since forever, bro. Since forever. I just never seen the reason to buy it, because they're already cheap. They're like 80 to 100 bucks. I was like, I'll just wait, bro. Like, I'll just wait till something happens, and I look, I got dope ass people. I swear, bro. I swear I have the coolest subscribers, bro. I swear on everything. You guys are like the most dopest. Huge thank you to my man J-Rock.
Whoa, 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 get off
that J-Rock fool. But I'm my man JBtuned on Twitter, and he's also a fellow YouTuber. I'll leave a link down to his channel below. He also has a DC5, and that bad boy is clean. Like, it's what I want. It's a 0506 blue RSX on some beautiful wheels. Like, his Instagram name right here on the screen. Go give him a follow if you love DC5s. And if you want to see some RSX content, link down below to his channel. So, Jay, thank you, brother. Appreciate it. my God, I love it. Oh, it looks so dope, son. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a Type R cluster install, playboys. The main reason why I really wanted this cluster was just because how dope, like, the gauges look. Like, I don't know what it is about these clusters that just look so different compared to this one. You know what I'm saying? Like, just look how dope that is in comparison to that. You know what I'm saying? Like, this just looks so much better. Like, I just love the style and design, and I love how the carbon fiber is like designed in the bezel of it. Like, it's just, it looks amazing, bro. It really does. Huge thank you to the homie Jay for this, bro. Like, you came clutch, bro. Like, thank you, and God bless your beautiful heart, bro. Yes, sir, playboy. Yes, sir. Oh no, I ran into my first problem. My gas thing. I do not have a full tank in my car right now. I have half tank. I hope my coolant and stuff works, because I know there's a problem with these clusters. Like, when you swap them in, you have to do something like swap out the green board, I believe. What I mean by the green board is I have to remove this one and put it on this one. That's for like everything reads properly the way it should be. My temperature isn't going anywhere, and I've been idling for like 10 minutes now, and my fuel isn't doing anything. So to take off the green thing, it's fairly simple. You want to remove these 3 screws, these 4 right here, these 3, and these 3 right here, and then remove each individual light, and that's pretty much it. So
I'm here, super duper duper cut, all up in the mix like, yeah, nigga, what? I stay blaze like brothers, even if I never said it, you should probably.
Now you have to be careful when you're pulling this stuff off. Start here, because you don't want to rip this at all. So you want to be careful when you're pulling up on it. Damn, I should have did this one first. All right, so I finished everything. Let's see if it works. Okay, fuel is going down. I think we're good. I should have half tank with the fuel. If we get half tank, playboy, we goods to go. But if it go all the way down to E, we ain't goods to go. Okay, we is not goods to go. Hold on, let me put some gas in it and see what's up. Maybe it will. Oh. I did swap my cluster lights in, so now they're blue. I don't want them to be blue, to be honest. I'd rather have them like the amber, but one bulb was blown, and I was like, well, at least I can have all 3 bulbs until I get that replaced. But that sucks, dog. I want my fuel to work, son. My temp gauge is working, but my fuel gauge isn't. We gotta fix that. Okay, so I figured out the problem. When I was unscrewing it, this little thing came out, which is thread that goes into the whiteboard. So I think I figured out a solution to fix my problem. I'm gonna head to Home Depot, try to find a longer screw, but most importantly, get plumber's tape. So I'm gonna basically thread it on the screw itself and see if it'll stick. The reason why it's not working is because the ground isn't really, like, the screw head and washer itself isn't being grounded onto the green screen. So that's exactly what I have to fix. I got the plumber's tape. Now get out of here. I should have started earlier, but it was way too hot. But yo, look at that yellow caliper though. I should have filmed me painting it, but yo, ooh boy, clean. I mean, the camera's not really doing it justice, but yo, these blue LEDs on the Type R cluster looks absolute shot. Looks shot. Complete and utter shot. Off to our rally we go, bros, cause we got a new sir. Got some amber LEDs, playboy. Nah, my cluster could not look like shit. Alright, so I'm back home. I already got the cluster somewhat out of the car. Hopefully my Teflon tape method works. If not, then I gotta come back to the drawing board tomorrow. But I wanted to upload this video for you guys on this beautiful, beautiful Tuesday. But you guys will get this on the 4th of July. So, happy 4th of July to you guys, man. Be safe. And if you live next to a veteran, please be cautious. Because they was in Modern Warfare 2, and you know what I'm saying? You don't want to have them throw AC-130s, you know what I'm saying? Bro, I miss Modern Warfare 2, bro, getting the Harriers, then Chopper Gunner, then I nuke y'all, you know what I'm saying? What was y'all kill streaks for getting nukes? Was it a Pave-Low, Chopper Gunner, or Harrier Pave-Low? Well, here goes nothing. It still spins a little bit, but it's a little tighter, so let's see. Nope. Didn't fix a damn thing. Yo, I low-key think I got it, son. I think I did it, bros. It's going up, but I feel like it's gonna stop. I'm scared to put the cluster back, bro, because I feel like I got it to work. I'm so scared to move the cluster back, dog. So scared. How is it that something so easy, just to install a cluster, 3 screws, bro? I'm having all this trouble. But I did put the ambers in, but I'm gonna fix this, bro. I am going to fix this booty-ass fuel problem. Why couldn't it be like a check engine light that had an issue? Because I don't give a damn about no check engine light. Honda boys. I think I got it, boys. I think I got it. It ain't bolted in, but let's see how these ambers look. Hell yeah. Ambers look good. I feel like if I turn the car on, it's gonna vibrate that screw loose. Should I turn it on? I'm gonna turn it on. Oh shit, it's still working. We fixed it, boys. I think we fixed it. Wait. Yeah, it's still going. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's still going. Thank you to the car gods. I have fixed my cluster issue. But now there's another issue. My fuel side won't light up, but it works. It kind of sucks because like I can't see my fuel, but bro, I'll take it because I don't want to deal with that whole fuel thing again. I do not want to deal with it. I kind of want to fix it now. Now I want to fix it. I think I should take it out. Should I take? I'm gonna fix it, bro. I'm gonna regret this, but I'm gonna try and see why my fuel side stuff light isn't working, even though I just put an LED in there. I'm gonna regret it. I just exchanged one of the connector clips with the GSR ones, and we're good to go, and my fuel didn't go down. Whoo! I got lucky, bro.
Ice, ice, ice. Yeah.
All right, boys, check me out. Boom! Check your boy Zosh out with the ambers, playboy. Boy, clean now. Now, let's turn it on and see if it just vibrates the bolt out. Whew, that looks good. Nope, bolt didn't vibrate out yet, playboy. I think we good to go, son. Well, I still gotta drive it and do pulls and stuff like that. But for the most part, we good to go. We is good to go. Now let's wrap up this long ass cluster install. Jesus. And that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Hey, did y'all know I'm related to Whitney Houston? And I will smack that like button for you, but that'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. And again, huge thank you to the homie Jay for supplying this beautiful cluster. Oh God. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, dislike it. Subscribe if you knew already, because I upload when I upload. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.
Ice, ice, ice. Yeah.